I want to tell you about the possibility of using lectures by Nobel laureates in teaching students. Lectures by Nobel laureates sharply increase the university's rating and, accordingly, its income. However, the exceptional employment of Nobel laureates, their high demand and, therefore, the high cost of lectures makes their lectures very, very expensive for ordinary universities. However, there are three options for attracting Nobel lectures to teaching at the university. The first option is to organize an immersive lecture by a Nobel laureate from his office or laboratory via a Zoom conference. Students can not only listen to the lecture, but also ask the Nobel laureate questions and see the work environment around him, his works and the process of his research. Such a lecture requires a special agreement with the Nobel laureate. But its organization is possible through the mediation of the Nobel Committee and its institutions. The second option for organizing a lecture by a Nobel laureate at a university is to use a lecture that has been pre-recorded by the Nobel Committee. This option is more economical. But it lacks the opportunity for students to ask questions and have a Nobel laureate answer them. This option is also possible when concluding an agreement with the Nobel Committee. The third option for organizing a lecture by a Nobel laureate at a university is to create an immersive lecture in video mode using the avatar of the Nobel laureate and teaching him the text of a pre-recorded lecture. At the same time, a Nobel laureate chatbot is created that answers students' questions. This option is also possible when concluding an agreement with the Nobel Committee or directly with the Nobel laureate himself. Additionally, it should be noted that the Nobel Committee has educational video programs for children. These programs can be used by the university for special courses for teaching children or students. The Nobel Committee also conducts annual courses for teachers. In addition, visits to the Nobel Committee in Stockholm and Oslo are offered, with seminars and classes for students and children.